Welcome to Research Rocks. If you are a YouTuber or if you want to become a YouTuber, so this video is very important for you. This platform are providing you online video editor and that platform name is InVideo. So where is available, how to use, what is the advantage, how many features, we will see detailed demonstration. And one more important point, this platform is absolutely free, no need to pay anything. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab. You can do same process smartphone devices also and just type here InVideo, enter. So first link is display here, InVideo online video maker, easy make pro quality videos, enter here and boom, create stunning video easy in 15 minutes only. No design skill are needed in InVideo, easy draw and drop editor. 5,000 plus customizable templates are available, 8 million plus iStock media library, 1 million print. So many features are available. Just simply sign up here. Now as a sign up point of view, you can put it information, otherwise go with your Google account. So I just simply go with my Google account and it's very simple to sign up. Now my account is sign up. So this is my dashboard and now create your own video. So I just simply select one of the template here. So suppose for example this is template. Upgrade features also available here. You can pay and then upgrade. So this is, I selected template. I select simply, I can upload here one of my media file, drag and drop you can use. Where is my file? So here is my one demo file is this, and then add. So the video is added here. Okay, and I can build the size properly on this one. Otherwise you can remove the template also here. If you needed template, so you can put it, otherwise remove this template. Okay, now I add the video here. So look at this, my video is coming here. I can remove this one and I can play simply here video. So look at this, the templates also come here and my video is automatically run here. I can very easily change the text also here. If you want added some text, so here text options are available and number of text size is available here. If you want add this one, so thank you, you can put it wherever you want very easily. If you want change the color, so change the color here. You select here color, change the color like this, change the color. One disadvantage only, you need to strong internet service on your computer system, then you can very easily use. So here videos, other frames are available. You can use those frames for your video editing point of view. So you can add this frame as a demo. This frame is coming here and you can put it. Videos, images also available. You can use this image like last. You can use this image on your frame. So and then you can publish your contents also here. Music's also available here. You can use any of one of the music and those music is absolutely free, copyright. Logos also available. You can upload your logo and then put it this particular video frame. Some of the elements also available. You can use those elements and after finish this editing this particular video, you can export here. As an export point of view, two qualities are available, 720 pixel and 1080 pixel. But if you want 1080 pixel, you need to pay something, but 720 pixel is absolutely free. So I just simply export and wait couple of seconds for the finish the entire process here. So look at this here, 100% is done. Download free, click here and boom, I can open here. First of all, reduce the size. Look at this here, the thank you tag is coming here, some of the animation, and without watermark you can download this particular video. It's very simple tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.